Thinking about upgrading your kitchen gadgets, but not sure which hand mixer to choose? You're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best hand mixers, powerful, versatile, and perfect for baking and cooking. Whether you want speed, attachments, or ease of use, we've got you covered. Stay till the end and find out which one is perfect for your kitchen. Let's get started. Item number 5. Meet the Cuisinart 5-speed hand mixer HM150 in elegant white, a perfect addition to any kitchen. With 5 adjustable speeds and easy push-button controls, this lightweight mixer makes baking and cooking effortless. Its compact design, measuring 3.566 by 8.34 by 6.366, fits comfortably in your hand for precise mixing. Operating at 120 volts and 200 watts, it delivers consistent performance for whipping, blending, and beating. While not dishwasher safe, its adjustable speed control ensures versatility for all your recipes, making it ideal for home bakers who want power, control, and convenience in one mixer. Item number 4. Meet the Hamilton Beach Professional 5-speed electric hand mixer in stylish mint, designed to make mixing effortless and mess-free. With 5 adjustable speeds and a QuickBurst button, it handles everything from whipped cream to thick cookie dough. The slow start technology reduces splatters, while the lockable swivel cord makes it convenient for both left and right-handed users. Comes with stainless steel beaters, a whisk, and a snap-on storage case, all dishwasher safe. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this mixer combines power, versatility, and convenience for every home baker. Item number 3. Meet the Ninja Hand Mixer and Immersion Blender CI101. A versatile 2-in-1 kitchen powerhouse with a 750 peak watt motor. Transform it from a high-speed hand mixer to a powerful immersion blender for whipping, mixing, and blending. It features 3 mixing speeds and 2 blending speeds, easy glide beaters for light, fluffy batters, and a 9-inch stainless steel blending arm with pan guard for soups and sauces. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless, and the ergonomic lightweight design ensures comfort during use. Includes whisk, beaters, 3-cup blending vessel, and recipe guide, perfect for all your culinary creations. Item number 2. Meet the 5-speed electric hand mixer with 800-watt motor, designed for effortless mixing, whipping, and beating in your kitchen. With 5 precise speeds and a turbo boost button, it handles everything from pancake batter to thick cookie dough with ease. The mixer comes with 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 whisks, all dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A compact storage case keeps everything organized, while the durable design with air vents ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for home bakers, this mixer delivers power, precision, and convenience in one versatile appliance. Item number 1. Meet the powerful 600-watt 5-speed hand mixer, designed to make baking effortless and enjoyable. With a robust 600-watt motor and 5 precise speed settings, it handles everything from delicate batters to thick cookie dough with ease. The mixer comes with 2 stainless steel beaters and 2 dough hooks, all dishwasher safe, and features an easy one-touch eject button. Its self-stand design keeps your countertop tidy while you pause or add ingredients. Lightweight and ergonomically balanced, this hand mixer is perfect for whipping, beating, and mixing all your favorite recipes. Which of these hand mixers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.